Hi, and welcome to TowerCruise.net. In this video, we will be going over basic Boolean logic. You might be saying, what is Boolean? Boolean logic is a form of algebra in which all values are reduced to either true or false. But let's not worry about that. Boolean logic is what allows computers to do things like decide what the next best move in a game of chess will be. For our purposes, we use Boolean to tell the computer how we want it to search a database. There are several advantages to using Boolean logic when sourcing TowerCruise. Effective use will allow you greater control over candidate variables, or the qualities and skills a candidate must possess to be a match for the position you are sourcing. The greatest advantage to using Boolean logic is the vast decrease in time it takes to find a qualified candidate. There are several Boolean operators. Today we will be looking at the three most commonly used ones. The most commonly used Boolean operator is AND. We use AND to tell the database to only return results that have two or more of our keywords that you specify. It is important to note that using AND does not require the keywords to be side by side in the document. To accomplish this, we must use the quotations operator, which we will go over in the advanced Boolean logic tutorial. Let's take a look at an example. Say you're searching for documents that contain both the words dogs and cats. You might use a search string that looks something like this. The keyword circles represent all the search results that contain that specific keyword. You will notice that by using AND, the search engine will only return results that contain both keywords and is represented by the overlapping section of the keyword circles. You might use AND to source a foreman with LTE experience by using the search string foreman and LTE. The second most common Boolean operator is OR. OR does the opposite of AND. It tells the search engine that you do not mind if it returns results with just one of the two or more keywords you use. Let's take a look at another example. You will notice in this situation, the search engine is returning all results in your keyword circles. OR is especially useful when you are sourcing for a position that is commonly referred to by more than one title. For example, a foreman could be also considered a supervisor. So to avoid missing out on qualified candidates, we will stick the OR operator between the keywords foreman and supervisor. The last operator we will cover in this video is the NOT operator. It is important to note that every search engine is different, and some do not accept all Boolean operators. This is especially common with the NOT operator. However, it does have its place. NOT tells the search engine that you do not want it to return any results containing a specific keyword or phrase. Remember, NOT will exclude keywords from the search results, effectively narrowing your search and excluding candidates. Let's take a look at an example. Say we want to find results that contain the keyword dogs, and you do not want any results containing the word cats. We might use a search string that looks something like this. In this instance, the search engine will not return any results that contain both keyword circles or the overlapping section. It will only return results from this area. An example of a good time to use NOT would be if you are searching for a foreman. Oftentimes, foremen are promoted later in their careers to construction managers or project managers. Since it is not likely that that individual will take a step backwards in his or her career, we tell the search engine to exclude results that contain the keywords construction manager or project manager. Our search string may look something like this. Congratulations, you just took the first step towards becoming a search guru. Remember that your operators should be in all caps and your keywords should be in all lowercase. If you are not getting the results you are looking for, you may need to rethink your keywords. Are there other keywords you could use in place of the ones you've already tried? If you are still having trouble finding the results, you need to consider these questions. Is my topic too broad? Is my topic too specific? What are some other search terms I can use? And how can I search for these terms differently? Once you have mastered the basic Boolean operators, take a look at the advanced Boolean search training video, and soon you will be a Boolean master.